In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save changes without publishing them in Wix. Have you ever found yourself wondering if it's possible to save your edits without making them immediately visible to your site's visitors? The good news is, you absolutely can, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. This will not only help you make changes with peace of mind, but also ensure you have time to perfect everything before it goes live. Let's begin by navigating to the Wix editor, sometimes referred to as the Wix Studio. Start by going to your Wix site. Once you're there, look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This will bring you into the editing environment where the magic happens. Now feel free to make any changes you like, whether it's adjusting text, swapping out images, or completely revamping your layout or pages. This is your space to explore and design freely. Once you've made all the adjustments you intended, the next critical step is saving your work. In the Wix editor, look to the top right corner and you'll see the Save button. Go ahead and click on it. What happens here is pretty important. By clicking Save, you're storing your changes in what's called draft mode. This means your updates are safely stored in the system, but are not yet visible to your visitors. It's a great feature because it gives you the freedom to work on your site without worrying that any of the changes will be prematurely seen by the public. It's worth noting that saving in draft mode gives you the flexibility to step away and return later without losing your progress. You can confidently close the editor, knowing that all your edits are tucked away, ready for you to pick up right where you left off whenever you decide to come back. This process ensures that your website is only updated with the changes you're absolutely satisfied with. And remember, these saved changes won't be visible to your audience until you hit the Publish button. Remember, practice makes perfect, especially when it involves creative tasks like building a website. Don't hesitate to experiment within the draft mode. It provides a secure, temporary space for you to test ideas and refine them until you're ready to share them with the world. Feel free to return and revisit your creative edits until you get them just right. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide on saving changes without publishing in Wix. With these steps, managing your website edits becomes a hassle-free process. Happy editing!